Presenting a pre-owned 2013 SCION FR-S. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This SCION has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.